Hey YouTube, this is my 2005 GMC Yukon. I recently replaced the engine. I put a new engine in there, and I had replaced some sensors along with it. Well, I didn't think anything of the new sensors I put in it. The truck was having difficulty starting on the first try. At the second time, it would run good. I ended up replacing the fuel pump just because I knew it needed it since it was all rusted out. That didn't solve my problem. I replaced the old two sensors. Still didn't solve my problem. I'm not saying this could be the same on your truck, but if you've recently put an aftermarket camshaft sensor on your truck and it's been having that problem of no start on the first try, you got to go to the Chevy dealership and get you a GM camshaft sensor, because that's the reason why it's not working right, is because the aftermarket camshaft sensor, I'm guessing, aren't good for these trucks. But yeah, I put a GM one in there and it starts on the first try every time.